Hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I'm the founder of Randall Technology Company, and you can call me Kenny Evans or Crypto Lord for a reason. Yeah. So today I'm here to talk about Neptune Network, and I'm here to give you a very good news. Yeah. So people have been chatting me that they want the new link for Neptune Network. So I've already told that in this past months we have been doing a lot of research about Neptune Network, and God being so good, we have gathered a lot of stuffs. Yeah, that has helping our crypto investigation. Yeah, because we got all this money through USDT and stuff. Yeah, and NT, it was a crypto coin. Yeah, so in this past month, that's November, we saw Neptune Network rebranding their own stuffs, and people were chatting me that they saw my videos about Neptune Network and I have to help them withdraw their money. And I was like, no, Neptune Network is not more in the system again. They are gone, and they showed me a screenshot proof that no, they are still in the system and stuff. Yeah, so people want their new link, and before I'll continue this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and share to your friends so that they will all also get the new link and know whether they can withdraw their money right now or not. Yeah. So in the end of this video, I'll put the link out. Yeah. So that you can also try to get, and the link, I don't trust their link, so I can't put their link in the description. So I'll create a new telegram group, so that you can join the telegram group, and we'll post the link over there. Yeah, so reason why anytime when I come online to do updates about Neptune Network, I always advise you that there are still platforms going up, and people are still joining it, and people are still losing their money. People are still making money from Neptune Network and stuff, and from other platform as well. Yeah. Every day when I get to my table, my desk, and my laptop, I always tell you that to me, I never lose money in Neptune Network. I made profit from Neptune Network, and this was my trick. First of all, I joined early, and second of all, I knew Neptune Network can't make me rich. So any money I got from Neptune Network, I appreciate it and I withdraw it. I never reinvest the money in it again. I never did that. Yeah. So they are still using the same formats in their new platform, and they contacted me to do a video about the platform, and I told them that I can't do videos about this platform again because I don't want people to be victim. That is why I have put this mantle on me that I'll try and educate you more about this platform. Though this platform can help you make money, make small money online, but this platform can also make you lose money online. So you have to be vigilant. You have to make your eye clear on this platform so that you know what and when to enter, when to exist, and stuff. Yeah. So this Neptune people, it's not only Neptune that they have created. They have a lot of platform, including some bots that can help you mine these airdrops so that later on you can exchange it and withdraw it. Though these airdrops are making people money, and these airdrops are also making people lose their money. And those who are making money from these airdrops are those who have learned their lesson. If I say those who have learned their lessons, that Right now, people know that the easiest way to make money is online. So you have to know that any small money that you get on your money that you invested is a profit, and you have to appreciate that profit. Don't think that you want to become a billionaire from this platform, because it will never happen. You end up losing money. Some guy chat me and told me that, bro, I sold my car and I used the money to invest in Neptune Network. And I was like, how? And he told me that his friends are making huge money from that platform. They show them proof and they show them their withdrawal proof and everything. So this made him sold his car because he wants more money. And I was like, it's not your fault, because a lot of people made more money from this platform and they show you proof as well. So this one will ginger you for you to invest in it. And one thing about Neptune Network is that they were there for longer period. They can have some technical glitches on their platform and they will solve it and you withdraw your money. So you're thinking that it's genuine and it's real platform to help you make enough money. You see that thing? Yeah. So me, I try to open the platform and it's open. But I'm not advising you to join the platform. I will not do that. I'm not advising you to do that. But if you want to know much about the platform and know whether you can withdraw your money or not, you can give it a try and see whether you can do it or not. Yeah, because I tried this platform with my phone that I previously registered Neptune on and it was invalid. So I changed my location with a VPN and changed the phone, and I did it one more time and it went through. So it's the same people that they have rebrand their self or their company and they are in to make you lose your money again. So please, you can join my Telegram channel or Telegram channel for Neptune Network new link, and you get the link and you try it yourself. If you are ready to join, please make sure that you will also always withdraw your money, and please don't believe that this platform can make you rich. That's one of the reasons why you people are making losing your money. This platform, if you want to become very rich online, there are some things that you have to put in use, and that things, if you're new to it, I can mentor you. Something like crypto arbitrage, crypto trading, forex trading, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, content creation. This skills can help you make bunch of money. And this one, you are selling your services. So let's say, taking content creation for example, right now I'm doing videos about Neptune Network. You're watching me, I'm getting paid of it. Have you seen it? Yeah. You doing your crypto trading, know that okay, I'm investing in this crypto coin, and this crypto coin, when it rises, I will get profit on it. It's a skill, because you have to read the chart, know when to invest, know when not to invest in these crypto coins. You see that thing. And the drop shipping too, you set up your own store, like put products on it. When people buy the products, you get your commission out of it. You can set up your own store, selling your own goods and be making profit out of it. Affiliate marketing also means you referring people to buy some certain products. So when they buy it, you get a small commission out of it. So all these things are there to make you rich or help you make money. You see that thing? Yeah. So these point scheme sites and stuff are there to either make you lose your money or make you get money. So you have to be wise. You have to be smart. It's that thing because if I say stop, you will not stop. Some people will do it because they know that it's lazy way to make money. It's cool, it's good because Neptune Network, I made profit from it. Yeah, and I will not deny it because I use my number six very carefully and very wisely. You see that thing, and if you do that, then you can also make money from it. Yeah. So to get the link, you have to click on the description and join the Telegram group, and I'll put the link over there so that you get a link and also download the app and check whether you can get your money or not. Yeah. So this my small update about Neptune Network today, and I know it's very cool for you, and you subscribe and like and comment so that I will know what is wrong with you and what you want me to do research about it for it. So in some next year, God willing, next year we will bring you all the evidence and everything for you to know. Yeah. So we'll bring everything in your doorstep for you to know what we have, the people behind it and stuff. Yeah. So I'm doing this video because they are afraid brand themselves, and I don't want you to be a victim. That's why I'm doing this video. So thank you for watching me, and I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.